Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Accra, Ghana. Thank you for flying with us. Enjoy your stay.
It was fantastic. I really enjoyed myself. I relaxed. I was able to strategize.
I got to meet beautiful people of Ghana. Lovely sights. The food was amazing too. We learned a lot of local delicacies. And I got to rest. I met people.
It was fun also. Fun. Everything was not that. Yes, everything was not. We had fun. Even though this is my first experience, but I can say this is best. Yeah, this is best.
It was so beautiful. I love the experience. From going to Elmina Castle, the city tour too. So amazing, honestly. I love the experience. And the fact that it was a 5 days vacation, it was not rush.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Elmina and I'm super excited returning back to you. So with me here, I have this very video of a Nigerian company that brought all their staffs. I bet you guys have seen it behind me. They brought all their staffs all the way from Nigeria for vacation in Ghana. Hey, let me even call it well, for vacation in Ghana. You know, most of the company, not just in Nigeria, but all over the world, sometimes they take their staff like as a way of saying, thank you for work well done. You know, you guys have been stressed all like from January to December. Let me just take you out for a vacation. Hey, for them to choose Ghana, you should know that, baby, hey. Ghana is indeed a vacation ground, not just for Africans, but foreigners, especially Nigerians. Well, guys, enough of the talk. Let's jump right into the video. And please, at the end of it, drop your thoughts in the comments section. Let's watch.
Captain speaking. Welcome aboard this Jomav X-Ranger flight from Lagos to Accra with a smooth flight expected all the way into Ghana. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey. Akwaba in advance. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Accra, Ghana. Thank you for flying with us. Enjoy your stay.
siyaphila izolo lishonile kodwa siphila iyahamba iphokophele iyahamba isebenzela izinsuku ziyadlula kodwa sinezi izinkanyezi ziyaphela kodwa sikhanya izwi lenhliziyo yavuma sihamba
So beautiful. I love the experience from going to Elmina Castle to going to the International Independence Case. I love all the city tour too. So amazing, honestly. I love the experience. And the fact that it was a 5 days vacation, it was not rush. We had time. In fact, we're missing you. Thank you so much, Joma.
It was so amazing. I got to meet beautiful people of Ghana. Lovely sights. The food was amazing too. We learned a lot of local delicacies and I got to rest. I met people. It was really amazing. Thank you, Joma. And to all my other staff, please work hard so that next year you're part of the X-Ranger.
It was fantastic. I really enjoyed it. I relaxed. I was able to strategize. Thank you to Joma. Thank you to management. It was great. Fun. It was fun all through. Fun. Thank you to management.
The experience was actually wow. It was fantastic. The experience was actually good and okay, and everything was in order. Yes, everything was done. We had fun. Even though this is my first experience, but I can say this is best. Yeah, this is best. And thank you to Joma for giving us this such opportunity.
It's been a wonderful experience and it's been fun-filled. Learning about how slavery happened at Elmina Castle, just touching, honestly, I didn't cry. I wanted to. But it's been fun-filled, even the hotel, everything I've done with my vacation. I want to appreciate Joma Weaver Properties for the opportunity. I enjoy myself. The Ghana food and everything. I enjoy myself. So thanks to Joma from Champion Party for putting all this together, and I wish to join the next time.
Well, this is my first time of seeing this happen. I don't know if it has been happening, but for a company to bring all their staffs for a vacation in Ghana, especially country from Nigeria. I mean, they said we have plenty places in Nigeria that they can take their staff to go enjoy. Everybody want come Ghana, not just you and I. Everybody want come Ghana. I'm telling you, Ghana is real. Like, it's a big deal. If you don't know, you should know today. Hey.
My stay in Ghana is really short, but nonetheless, I want to get to experience it as much as I can. I only have an American credit card and a $100 bill, so there is no option for me than to manage around my $100 bill. I converted it to 1,070 cedis, from which I had a 2-hour hotel chauffeur service for 400 cedis. The chauffeur was so nice and offered to be my tour guide. We started off at the Black Star Square, where I didn't have to pay anything. I mainly looked around, admired and appreciated the history behind the monument. And then he went on to show me the Arc of Freedom, also known as the Freedom and Justice Act. The entire environment was preserved in greenery, and as usual, I appreciate anything preserved in nature. And I also got to wave a Ghanaian flag for my Ghanaian followers. Once we were done, we headed straight to our next location. On the drive, he made sure to explain every single thing we came across. He showed me the highest court in Ghana, which also came with a library attached. Not just a regular library, a really big one. In no time, we arrived at the main event, the Kwame Nkrumah Museum. This was by far the highlight of the day for me. From the start to the finish of of the tour was beyond amazing. I only got tickets for 50 cedis and I couldn't believe it. I paid 10 times that over and over again to experience this. I got to see this car that was gifted to him by John F. Kennedy. This picture was so beautiful, I just couldn't ignore it. We didn't bother waiting for a tour guide. My chauffeur was more than capable and he went ahead to the scenery right from the entrance to the very end of the tour was beyond amazing. It was so rich in culture. Every single thing I learned about this great president was beyond amazing. I got to see this beautiful statue of him and it's said to signify one of his favorite quotes, forward ever, backward never. After that, I made my way into his burial site where him and his beautiful wife laid. I also appreciated the fact that Egyptian details were added into this museum to appreciate his wife. Then we were done from there and headed to the art market. I really wanted to get a Ghanaian outfit for me and my daughter. Unfortunately, I could only afford one for my daughter. I got her this kente printed dress for 120 cedis. And my precious earthenware and tapoli went for 200 cedis. I gifted the chauffeur 150 cedis and was left with 150 change. I was left with about 150 cedis for change. So I decided to use that to get some souvenirs for my housekeeper, my kids, and my niece. The love from Ghana has been so massive. Thank you so much to every one of you.
Thank you so much for watching. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Do also like, subscribe to the channel, share this video to as many eyes out there. I believe they'll watch and learn from me. Now, not forget my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for always coming back for your girl. And if this is your first time on this channel, you've watched this video from beginning to this time, and you've not subscribed to the channel, why now? I dare. Subscribe to the channel already, and also do press the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop another one. I love you always. Bye-bye.